We have one final trader to get to in our show today. That's Mike Patton, head trader at Thunder Trading. Hello, and what's your trade today as the tariffs have been a shock to the financial system?
Now, Robinhood is interesting because when you look at stocks, when tariffs hit, I usually think about, okay, what's the impact going to be on a particular industry? Auto industry, that makes sense, things like that. But when you look at Robinhood's primary user base are people who are trading actively their own personal accounts. I wouldn't consider them like a massive wealth management company such as Goldman Sachs, where you have a lot of money that's parked there by longer term investors. So since Robinhood basically has made the stock market accessible to pretty much everyone, and most people are very actively, more actively than not, managing their own portfolios there, I would expect that we would have an impact similar to what we've seen in the past. Whenever there's been significant volatility in the markets, there usually is an increase in user activity, also potentially an increase of people jumping onto the platform to be able to use it. Now, that being said, Robinhood is down quite a bit. It's been down over 15% plus, at least, or maybe 20% if I look at the numbers. So it's taken a pretty big hit, but this is one of those stocks where I have to scratch my head a little bit and say, does this look like a company that really should be down so much? Upside potential looks like we can get anywhere to maybe $65 or higher, and that could be within the next, 30, I would say within the next 92 days to maybe 6 months. So I wouldn't expect this to happen very quickly. Especially with all the things going on right now, but I think gradually can go up. But if we look at it from a downside perspective, I would say if the stock trades down another $10 a share to about $25, I would say that's where I would question whether or not this could work out. But my guess is that right now it's at a price that's really dislocated from where it should be. And once the markets have a chance to rebound or at least to stabilize, or say not rebound, but stabilize, I do think this is one of those stocks that probably will go up a lot faster than others. So Robinhood, HOOD, is my opportunity, and we'll see how it plays out.
Thanks for your trade. And I like how you quickly switched to stock market stabilize. We can hope. Thanks, Mike.